Hey guys, I'm Shyam from Ska Studios. So today the video is not actually a tutorial, but if you guys play it in slow motion, you can actually see the whole process of me modeling this also. And you can follow along. I just traced the model with some vertices and used a screw modifier to get the form, and used a lot of Boolean modifiers to cut off the holes in the mesh and modeled everything that's popping out, all the screws and those guns or eyes, I don't know what those are. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys think I should upload the whole character modeling process, because this video is only the head of the character. So I'm modeling this because I thought I might do a small short, not a short, mini series maybe with characters from the Star Wars and the Mandalorian series. So if you guys enjoy this, leave a comment below whether I should do that, and also leave a comment letting me and let me know whether I should model the whole character. And if you guys liked my previous videos in the channel, let me know what type of videos you guys like me to do, more of character modeling videos or abstract art videos or animation loops. So let me know all that as well. So those are like the channel announcements, and I'll let you guys watch this video in peace. See you.